Question 1. With reference to the period of Mauryan dynasty in ancient India, the places Taxila, Ujjain, Suvarnagiri and Kalinga were well known as A. Ports handling foreign trade. B. Place of 4 Buddhist councils. C. Provincial capitals of Mauryan Empire. D. Important Buddhist pilgrimage centers. Question 2. In context of the Mauryan Empire, consider the following statements regarding Bindusara. 1. Bindusara was the founder of the Mauryan Empire. 2. He supported the religious sect called Ajivikas. 3. He received Deimachus as ambassador from the Syrian king Antiochus I. 4. He defeated Seleucus Nicator, the general of Alexander the Great. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 4 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding Ashoka Dhamma. 1. His policy of Dhamma was restricted to the principles of Buddhism. 2. Tolerance among all religious sects is one of the important principles of Dhamma. 3. He appointed officials known as Dhamma Mahamatta who went from place to place teaching people about his Dhamma. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Question 4. With reference to Mauryan administration, consider the following statements. 1. The various Mauryan provinces were placed under governors who were generally not from the royal family. 2. The Mauryans are known to have opened up virgin lands for cultivation in order to meet various expenses. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. None of the above. Question 5. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the rule of Chandragupta II? 1. Devgupta, Devraja, Singhavikram are the titles assumed by him. 2. He was the first Gupta ruler to issue silver coins. Select the correct answer using codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 6. In the context of the agrarian structure during the Gupta period, consider the following pairs. Term description. 1. Kshetra pastoral land. 2. Akhila wasteland. 3. Aprata jungle or wasteland. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1, 2 and 3. C. 2 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 7. Which of the following statements are correct regarding Samudragupta of the Gupta dynasty? 1. The Mathura pillar inscription provides a detailed account of his reign. 2. Harisena and Kalidasa were court poets of Samudragupta. 3. He undertook the famous Dakshinpatha expedition against the ruler of South India. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 8. In the context of history of India, which of the following were in the court of Chandragupta II? 1. Charak. 2. Kalidasa. 3. Sushruta. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding the Satavahanas. 1. Gautamiputra Satkarni was the founder of the Satavahana dynasty. 2. The Satavahanas retained some of the administrative units of Ashokan times. 3. The lowest level of administration was a grama, which was under the charge of a Golmika. 4. Satavahanas issued mainly gold and silver coins. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 and 3 only. B. 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 3 and 4 only. Question 10. Which Chalukya ruler assumed the titles of Satyashray Shri Prithviballabh Maharaj, Dakshinapswara, Parambhataraka, and Maharajadhiraja? A. Pulkeshin I. B. Pulkeshin II. C. Kirtivarman I. D. Vikramaditya I.